Guys, what if you need to copy the handwritten notes onto your system? You would say it's not possible and utter that retyping is the only way of pasting the text onto your screen. Well, if it is one page, then it's okay. But what about if you could have bunch of the papers and bundles of pages? You just need to do a night out or request your friends to help you. But now on, all your worries are going to be cleared within a minute. Yes, you are listening it correctly. The user-friendly tech giant Google has come up with a new feature for Google Lens which will allow the users to copy their handwritten text to the computers. Let's see how it works step by step. First step is to point the camera of Google Lens at the handwritten text and highlight it on the screen. Then you need to select the text which you would like to copy. Once text are selected, click on Copy to Computer, which you will get on Google Lens on your phone. Now log into the computer and open Google Chrome browser followed by browse to https://docs.google.com. Then you need to go with any document in Google Docs. You can go with New Document or you can go to Existing Document. Followed by go to Edit tab from the Documents and click on Paste option to copy the data which you had selected earlier using Google Lens. That's it. Your data should in your computer from a piece of papers. Well, this is amazing feature from Google Lens, but you will need to keep some conditions on your mind. Number 1, your handwriting needs to neat and clean, so Google Lens can identify the letters. Number 2, you must be using same email account for Google Lens and Google Chrome while logged in. Number 3, you may need to update your Google Chrome as well as Google Lens softwares if you have not done yet. Thanks for watching Bright Infotainment. Please subscribe to our channel if you find this video helpful. Please share your thought in the comment box as we love your comment and we love looking up new avenues of inspiration from you. Stay tuned for the next video from us. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.